Hello, people. Very good afternoon, good morning, greetings of the day. How are you all doing? Hi, Kamlesh. Hi, Shreya. I'm seeing you first time here, Shreya. Hi, Neha. Hi, Emmanuel. Hello, Michelle. Hello, Durgesh, Vivek. Everything is okay, absolutely. Hi, Raj. Hi, Rahul. Hello, Ashok, Akhil, Jack. Who else? Hi, Dipesh. Hello, Silvestro. Surjo. Hi. And who else? Raj Bhaumik. Hi, Raj Bhaumik. Okay, so we'll wait for a minute to start the session. Hello, Ashok, Akhil. Hi, Saurav and Mumu, Al-Amin. Okay, at last you took my name. Okay, okay. All right, very good afternoon. So before you start your messages amongst each other, so let me just go ahead with what? Host only. Okay, many people joined now. Hi, Jennifer. Very good morning. All right. So whoever had switched on their videos, I request everybody to switch off their video because there would be some problem. I will get my voice echoed and everything. So yeah, good morning. Okay, so I haven't shared PPT or like PDF of Venn diagram because it was in one file, Venn diagram and syllogism, and we haven't covered syllogism yet. Okay, completely. We have solved very few questions, so we will cover it some other day. As of now, I want to start with another topic, progressions. All right, so before that, I would like to ask you, how did your mock test go, the one which you have taken other day, someday, which day, Thursday? How did it go? Anybody? Hi, Tasnia. Ashok Kumar Mehta is sending me some smiley. I should understand the meaning of that. Okay, Kamlesh. All right. Not nice. Okay. Only 2% replied yet. How about others? Hi, Sonali. It was okay. Not used to with the timing. I didn't get time to cover all questions. Is that according to the pattern of actual SII exam? Not good. 56 you scored, Akhil. Okay. All right, Akhil. Hi, Michelle. It was little good. Okay, Dipesh. All right. Anyone else? In another 5 minutes, we'll start. Hello, Salma. Hi, Shivani. Hello, Anupa. Hey, Mercy. Unexpected questions. Okay, fine. Next mock test when start? I have no idea, but we are in the process to do the analysis of that mock test one of the days. Was there any topic which you haven't covered so far and the questions from that? Can you name some questions in case by any chance we haven't covered? We still have to cover. Okay, Salman, that's nice. You are the only one person. Calendars. Okay. All right, Binay. What else? Calendars, I don't know whether it's a part of. Fine. We'll see. What else? Clock was also there. Okay. Clock and calendars. Okay. Anyone else remember anything which we haven't covered? And you see, oh, this is like Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par means people that you're not understanding. Okay. Calendar is not done here. I don't think so. We have done. All right, then nobody else wants to reply saying what all is done. So arithmetic progression we will do today. I knew that there would be some questions from that. Geometry also, you could have faced some questions like cuboids or anything like that. Were there some questions related to geometry? I'm not sure, Durgesh, because in the syllabus of on IND SAT exam, what is that? Study of India government exam, they haven't uploaded it. Okay, I mean to say they haven't mentioned it. That clocks and calendar is part of SII exam. Fair enough, we will finish it off. That's not a big deal. Okay. Was there any question related to trigonometry? Can you reply to me, people, on this? Hi, Roshni. Very good afternoon. No. All right. Was there any question related to geometry, that cuboids, or something like that? No. Fair enough. Okay. So let's start today. What were we gonna start? We are gonna start progression. So everybody knows the formulas for arithmetic progression and geometric progression, and harmonic progression is not a part. All right. So arithmetic progression, whenever you go for any of the competitive exams, if they are asking you any progression, that will be always on arithmetic and geometric. So all of you have some idea about it. Do you remember the formulas and everything? Yes, no? People, can you reply quickly? You couldn't join the exam. Is it a problem? Forgot. Yes, RK. Avijit will talk about that later. Okay. Forgot. We forgot. Okay. Nilias, thank you. Okay, let's move on. So here are some of the formulas. So some of first natural numbers. So it's like one. Where is my pen? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to n. So summation of n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on. 3 square plus 4 square plus so on. That is summation of n square. Summation of squares of a natural term is n into n plus 1. It's written already up. I don't know why I'm writing, but I'm writing. N into n plus 1 upon 6, I guess. Yeah. All right. N into n plus 1 upon 6. And similarly, cube, 1 cube, 2 cube. Cube of natural number. 3 cube and so on. N cube. Summation of n cube is equal to square of this. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Fine. Everything is written here. I was just writing. So I was thinking you will also write. But I don't know how many of you believe in taking screenshots. How many of you write? How many of you wrote when I was writing? Anyone? At least one person out of 42. Oh, wow. That's nice. Thank you. Thank you for giving me a company. Actually, I was giving company to you people. Okay. And sum of first and natural odd number is, you make notes in copy. Awesome, Dipesh. Sum of first and natural odd numbers. So that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on is n square. All right. 7 and so on for n terms is equal to n square. And the average we have already seen, sum of items upon number of items. You know that. What do you want me to repeat, Roshni? Hi, Sushmita. What do you want me to repeat, Roshni? All. It's here already. Hi, Felix. After a long time, everything is here. All right. Sum of first and natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on. Summation of n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. There is no explanation generally. All right, Roshni, these are some formulas which we have to follow. And if we go for the derivation of this, it would be like you have to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. Generalization. Fine. So this is the one. Today's topic is progressions. Good morning, genomic Gracious. Okay, so what is arithmetic progression? An AP is of the form A plus D plus 2D plus 3D. Basically, D is common, right? So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is AP, common difference. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. All right, 6 minus 5, 1. Everywhere common difference is 1. This is arithmetic progression. Another one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is common difference is 2. Everywhere it is 2, 2, 2. One more. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Common difference is 3. So this is also arithmetic progression. All right. So arithmetic progression, if they are asking you to calculate or if they are given you, fine, 1 minute, I'll come back to this, what I was saying. Kalungi, it's okay. I have just started. We haven't started any question yet. So don't feel that you are late. It's all right. We are still in the process. So if the first term is A, then the second term will be A plus D. First term plus common difference. First term plus common difference is 2. Then the third term will be A plus 2D. First term plus 2 times of common difference, 3. So similarly, we will get A plus ND, nth term. But nth term, how we will find? N minus 1D, sorry. Because first term is 0D. Is my voice trembling? Is it for everybody or for few? Am I audible clearly? What is the difference between series and progression? I'll tell you, 1 minute. 1 minute, Akhil, I'll come to your point. See previous page, 1 minute, Felix, I'll go back on that. Okay. All right. So when you see first term, second term, it is D. Okay. Third term, it is 2D. So fourth term, it is 4, not 4D, it will be 3D. Fifth term, it will be A plus 4D. So if it is nth term, it will be A plus n minus 1D. All right. So that's why nth nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Summation of n terms. Summation of n terms, you know this formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Or also n by 2 into a plus L. L is nothing but last term. L is last term. All right. Okay. Is that clear so far? Done, 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 done. Yes. Okay. So somebody wanted me to go through the previous slide. So in previous slide, we haven't done basic. This is the next one. This is the one. Felix, this is for you. Okay. All right. So I'm moving on now. Here you go. So Akhil, I'll answer your question. Give me a minute. I'll answer. All right. I remember that. Hello, Peter Alphonse. Somebody, it's let's go in question and answer. Yeah, after this, I'll definitely go there. My intention is not to stay here, Saurabh. So definitely I'll go. All right. But if you know Maya, there might be some people who may not know this formula, so they might not remember it. So let's do. So when do we apply n by 2 first term plus last term? So when first term is given and last term is given, that time we will apply flywheel. Okay. All right. For last term, you should know the last term. Then you will apply. We'll see. We'll see those questions. Don't worry. All right. So geometric progression, it's AR square, AR cube, which is where R is what? Who is 1 minute? Okay. So where did my slide go? Yeah, here it is. So this is like if I take 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. So what is happening? Second term divided by first term, you are getting 2. Second term, third term divided by second term, you are getting 2. Fourth term divided by third term, you are getting 2. So your ratio is same. 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. R is common ratio of flywheel. So here in geometric progression, it's a ratio. In arithmetic progression, it is difference, common difference. All right. And here, the first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube. So nth term will be equal to what? AR to the power n minus 1, where A is first term, R is common ratio. So sum of first n terms, how to calculate sum of terms? A into 1 minus R to the power n upon 1 minus R. Also, sometimes it is R minus 1 also if R is greater than 1. If R is greater than 1, we also use R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Like in this case, if we have taken example of this term of this series, R is 2. All right. So sum of n natural terms will be R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. And also sum of infinite series of progression is S infinite is equal to A upon 1 minus R or A upon R minus 1 if R is greater than 1. If R is greater than 1. 1 to power 6, which is 64. 2 to the power 1. 1 2 power of 6, which is 64. Okay. Which one are you using? Peter, you are talking about this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Right. If we have to calculate, let's take 1, 2, and 4. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is what? 7, right? Now check. A to the power R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So A is 1. R to the power n. Power n means how many terms? 1, 2, 3. So 2 to the power 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. You were finding the 7th term. Alex, I think it's your network only because everybody is writing I'm audible. So I'm really not sure. So 2 to the power 3 minus 1 is 7 and 7 upon 1. This is giving you 7. Always whenever you have to find out something, go with if you want to prove something or like go to conclusion of something, always take 1 or 2 numbers, 1 or 2, 3 easy numbers. Okay, one more thing here, it is not been mentioned. Arithmetic mean is equal to A plus B plus C. So somewhere it was written, right? This one, average. That's nothing but arithmetic mean. Okay, so all right, thank you, Felix. So arithmetic mean is equal to summation of a plus b plus c so on divided by n. All right, if two terms are there, then arithmetic mean will be equal to a plus b by 2 because two terms are there. If three terms are there, then a plus b plus c by 3. Fine. Similarly, if two numbers are there, then a and b is given as square root of ab. If three numbers are there, then it is abc to the power 1 by 3. So if n terms are there, then geometric mean will be equal to a into b into c so on up to n whole to the power 1 by n. Okay, that's arithmetic, that's geometric mean. Also, arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean. Fine, so we will move to questions now. I hope this is clear so far. When we will move to the questions, you will be able to understand better. Okay, shall we move on? Shall we move on, people? Yes, no? Okay, go on, go on. All right, here is the first question. What number of terms arrives in the AP? First term is this and last term is this. So basically they are asking you to calculate n. Try. Like I said, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Also, we can write last term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what would be your answer? 34 is the answer. Yeah, Rahul. How about others? People, there is no shortcut for such type of questions because there are like geometry and progression. These are like formula based only. So don't expect any shortcuts on this. Very rarely if it will come, it will come. So last term is 139. First term is 7 plus n minus 1. D is 11 minus 7 is 4. 15 minus 11 is 4. So the common difference is 4. So 139 minus 7, it will give you 132. 132 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. So 132 by 4 will give you 4, 3, 33 is equal to n minus 1. Hence n is equal to 33 plus 1, 34. I hope it's clear to everyone, and many of you have answered also. Genomic, I think it's a typo. Okay, so I'm moving on, people. I hope it's clear. Okay, fine. Oh, thank you, Anindya. I hope you do that for verbal also. So if anybody wants me to wait, let me know. I'll wait because I got to know few people make notes. So yeah. This is arithmetic progression, though they haven't mentioned, but it is arithmetic progression. Anybody got the answer? It was there 34. The fourth term will be what? A plus 3D, and 12th term will be what? A plus 11D. So A plus 3D is equal to 14 and A plus 11D is equal to 70. Does anybody have any doubt in this fourth term and 12th term, and we are writing 11 and 3, or it's clear? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. I need to calculate first term. So I need to calculate value of A. So eliminate D. To eliminate D, I'll multiply 11 here and I'll multiply 3 here. Suraj, fourth term will be what? A plus 3D. Third term will be equal to what? A plus 2D. Sixth term will be what? A plus 5D. 13th term will be what? A plus 12D. So whatever the term it is, we will subtract 1 here, n minus 1. Okay, Suraj? So multiply 11, multiply 3. So this will give you 11A plus 33D is equal to 14 into 11 is 154. And this is 3A plus 33D is equal to 210. So this will get cancelled. This is 8A is equal to minus what? 10, 60 and 6. So how much it is? 66. Are you getting proper answer? 60, 40, 56 you will get minus. So A is equal to minus 56 by 8. Minus 7 is the answer. Yes. Minus B is the answer. Here also B is the option. Negative 7. EO. Is that clear? Flywell? Srijita is not there today. Emmanuel, I hope you are understanding. I hope you are following. Jui, Mercy, Mardilio, Tasnia, Salma and Salman. RK, Sagar Gupta. I came to the question. Very clear. Okay, let's move to the next one. If anybody who is late in replying, let me know. I'll come back at the end. Fine. Whenever they say are divisible by 4, 5, and 6, it means that the number has to be divisible by 4, 5, and 6 altogether. Emmanuel, 1 minute, people, I'll go back. So in the event that the fourth term of a number juggling movement is 14, it means that A plus 3D is 14. A plus 3D is equal to 14. A plus 3D is equal to 14. And 12th term is 70. It means that A plus 11D. If it is 12, 12 minus 1. If it is 4, 4 minus 1 is equal to 70. Now just solve these two equation, linear equation in two variables. All right, Emmanuel. Hi, memory. I'm doing well so far. All right, so go for this one. Hi, Mahmudul, where were you? Long time you haven't joined classes. Okay, genomic 6 is the answer. Okay, anybody else? Take LCM of 4, 5, and 6. What is LCM of 4, 5, and 6? LCM of 4, 5, 6, 30. Is 30 divisible by 4? Oh, people. Is if you will take LCM of 4, 5, 6 as 30, is 30 divisible by 4? No. LCM is 60. Right. LCM is 60. So now take the multiples of 60. After 200, 240 is the first multiple. Then it is 300. Then it is 360. Then it is 420. Then it is 480. Then what else? 480, 540, and 600. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But they are asking between. So 600 should not be included. Not to be included. Not to be included. Hence, your answer will be 6. So the answer is 6. All right, Mahmudul. I hope things are all right. Which formula? RK? Assuming this is A and this is last term. Arithmetic progression. So this is arithmetic progression, right? 60, 60. So you mean to say this formula L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D? Are you talking about this formula, RK? Not clear? Okay, 1 minute. Give me Raj. Give Raj 1 minute to me. All right. So fine. Let me repeat. What number between 200 and 500, 600 are divisible by? Yeah, I'm repeating. What number between 200 and 600 are divisible by 4, 5, and 6? All right. So whenever they are saying are divisible by 4, 5, and 6, so you take any number. If you take 200, 200 is divisible by 4, divisible by 5, but not divisible by 6. If you take 230, divisible by 5 only, not divisible by 4, not divisible by 6. So we need to take such numbers which are divisible by 4, 5, and 6. All right. So what we will do, we will take the LCM of 4, 5, and 6 first. 1 minute, Roshni. I'll come to that where you're making mistake. 4, 5, 6. So what is the LCM of 4, 5, and 6? 6 is the highest number. 6 into 5 because 5 and 6 are prime numbers. So multiply these two numbers directly. 5 into 6 is 30. Is 30 divisible by 4? No. So I'll take another multiple of 30. 30 into 2, 60. Is 60 divisible by 4? Yes. So it means that 60 will be your LCM. Is that clear so far? Is 60 clear so far? Rahul, Kamlesh, and whoever said not clear, Raj, Bhomik, Mercy. All right, Emmanuel. Done now. Now we need to see number between 200 and 600, basically, which are divisible by 60. So starting from 200, numbers which are divisible by 60 will be 240. First number is 240. Roshni, this is wrong. 260 is not divisible by 4. Sorry, by 6. All right, 260 is not divisible by 6. So the first number will be 240. To how many of you it's not clear? Is it clear? Can you reply quickly? Memory. Okay. People, let me go a little slowly. Is 60 clear? Is 60 clear? Or 60 is also not clear? LCM of 4, 5, and 6, 30 into 2 is equal to 60. Is 60 clear to everyone? Memory? Memory? Memory. Yes, LCM is clear. All right. Now, if you think 1 minute, I'm coming to this, Roshni. What number between 200 and 600 are divisible by 4, 5, and 6? It became like are divisible by 60. What number between 200 and 600 are divisible by 60? Because we have taken LCM of 4, 5, and 6 as 60. So now between 200 and 600, we need to see number which are divisible by 60. Is that clear? Yes, Abhijit, that's correct. Now, how to reach 240? Fine. They are asking about 200. As the number is ending with 0, 60, number is ending with 0. So I'll go to multiples of 10. So is 200 divisible by 60? No. Is 210 divisible by 60? No. 220 divisible by 60? No. 230 divisible by 60? No. Is 240 divisible by 60? Yes. If you are finding a problem in 60, consider it as 6. Ignore 0. Ignore 0 here also. Is 21 divisible by 6? No. 22 divisible by 6? No. 23 divisible by 6? No. 24 divisible by 6? Yes. Did you get it now? All right. So from 240, now keep adding 60 to it. 240 because like, or from 24, keep adding 6 to it. So 240 plus 60 is 300. Roshni, 240 plus 60 is 300, darling. We don't have to add, Roshni, this is for you. 200 plus 60 we are not doing. 260 is not divisible by 6. All right, that's why we reach to 240. Now 240 plus 60 is 300. 300 plus 60 is what? 360. 6 into 4, 6 into 5, 6 into 6, 36. 6 into 7, 442. 6 into 8, 48. 6 into 9, 54, 540. And as it is given in between, that's why I will not take 600. I will not take 600. That's why you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers, hence your answer is 6. To how many of you it is still not clear? I'll move to another type of question. Same one, but I'll move to different question now. RK, one more thing, like you asked, right? You can do that with formula also. Now, people understand this also because this approach you need to follow in the next question. All right. As here it is from 200 to 600, only 6 number, it was possible for us. Now, suppose if we don't have to go for this, we know after 200, 240 is the number. And before 600, which number is divisible by 60 is 540. And the difference is 60 because a number has to be divisible by 60. If number has to be divisible by 2, so like you will get what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Everywhere your difference is 2. If the number is divisible by 3, so you will get 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. So the difference is 3. If the number is divisible by 60, so your common difference will be what? Equal to 60. Did you understand the story so far? Did you understand the story? So A is equal to 240, D is equal to 60, and last term is equal to 540. Last term is equal to 540. So I can use this formula also, A plus N minus 1 into D. So last term is equal to 540, first term is 240 plus N minus 1 and D is equal to 60. So 540 minus 240, 300, 300 by 60, 5 plus 1, 6. Why you did this, Dipesh? I did not understand the logic why you are doing this. Don't make the things complicated. Okay, 1 minute. Let me add one slide to it because I don't know I have added any blank slides. So let me add one blank slide and then I'll come to one more question. Okay, awesome, Dipesh. Where were we? We have discussed this one. Fine, people. Now, Let me take another example, same type, because this is one of the common questions. And you people found little bit, ma'am, can we have another example so that it will be more clear? Yeah, I'm coming to that, Anupa. So, numbers between numbers between 10 and 10 and 10 and 240. Now, so many numbers, all right. Okay, 1 minute, Dipesh. Numbers between 10 and 240 divisible by 2, 3, and 4. All right, divisible by 2, 3, and 4. To find multiple number between 200 and 600. No, we will not take the same thing this time. Let's see how many of you will get the answer. Again, it's between. Why we did multiply by 2? Ira, Eric, because I was trying to calculate LCM. So if 4, 5, 6 were given, 4, 5, 6, I'll go for the highest number. Moreover, 5 and 6 are prime number. So I'll multiply these two numbers directly. So basically, I need to calculate LCM of 4 and 30 now. I repeat, Ira, 4, 5, and 6. 5 and 6, like if there are 2, 3, 5, if all the numbers are prime number, to calculate their LCM, you just multiply this directly. 2 into 3, 6, into 5, 30. Here also 5 and 6. Okay, 5 is a prime number, and 6 and 5, like they don't have any common multiple with them. So that's why 6 into 5 is 30, 30 into 4 is 120. All right, 30 into 4. No, 30. So this is 30. And we need to calculate LCM of 4 and 30 now. Thank you, Milan. If you have any easy method, let me know. If I'm uneducated, please do the honors. All right. Thank you for your compliment. Okay, so now what is the LCM? Shreya is getting 11, others are getting 10, 19. Okay. What is the LCM of 2, 3, and 4? Can anyone tell me? What is the LCM of 2, 3, and 4? 12, right, Jackson? Awesome. So this is the 12 is the LCM. All of you got it? Is this part clear to everyone? Yeah? All right. Now, after 10, think about it. After 10, which number is divisible by 12? After 10, which number is divisible by 12? 12, right? So your A is 12. Your A is 12. So when you're, okay, let me write it this way. If A is 12, what is D? What is D? What is the common difference here? Divisible by 12. So what will be the common difference? Common difference is also 12. Now you see 10 and 240, I cannot go 12, 24, 36, 48. Moreover, you don't know 12 tables so clearly also, right? Like the way you know table of what? Table of 6. Now, coming to this part, 240. Is 240 divisible by 12? Yes or no? Is 240 divisible by 12? Yes or no? Yes. But can I take it? Can I take 240? Because if it is given between, can I take that? No. So it means that I need to see a number which is divisible by 12 and is less than 240, right? So what simply I'll do? 240, I know it is divisible by 12, but we have to take between. That's why I cannot take this. So I'll subtract 12. Roshni, why 20, dear? 240 minus 12 is equal to what? You will get 240, 30, 228, right? So you will get correct 12 into 19, 228. Fair enough. So this you are getting Avijit Saha. Avijit Saha said wonderful thing. Let's do that. It's awesome. 12 into 20 is 240. So 12 into 19. 12 into 19 is just 228. So your last term is equal to 228. So L is equal to 228. Is that clear so far? Now you just have to substitute it. 228, I will be using L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A is equal to 12, N minus 1, D is equal to 12 again. So 228 minus 12 is equal to what? 216. 216 divided by 12 is equal to N minus 1. So 12, 1, 12, and you will get remainder as 96, 12, 8, 96, N is equal to 90. Yes, that's the answer. Where you are getting 456. Where did I write 456? Oh my God, Emma, that was example for the previous one, 4, 5, 6. It is not 456. All right. I think you have joined just now. That's why you are saying that. So is that clear now to everyone? Is that clear, people? Done? So would you be able to solve now this type of question? No confusion? Great combination. All right, shall we move on? Okay, fine. All right, so this is fine, go for it. This is not minus, this is not minus, okay? Try. Good, Melius. Anupa, is that clear? Sushmita, if you are there, I hope it's clear. Mardi, awesome. Who else have not replied? Vivek, Devora, you don't reply. I don't know why. Shreya, I hope it's clear. Shreya, Sagar, Salma, Salman, and Raj Bhaumik, I hope it's clear. Peter, Alfonso, I hope you are understanding. Niloy, I hope you are understanding. What is the question asking us to solve? In this one, they are asking us to calculate addition. Plus sign is given, no? Means you need to add, we need to calculate sum. Okay, thank you for replying. So what is the first term here? A is equal to 45. What is D equals to? What is common difference equals to? No. Oh my God, memory. The question is 45 plus 46 plus 47 plus 48 plus 49 plus 40. No, after 49 is 50 plus 51 plus 52 plus 53 and so on. Plus, so these are the last terms. All right, memory. Got it? So D is equal to 1. Yes. 46 minus 45, 1. 47 minus 46, 1. This is 1. This is 1. All right. What is last term? What is last term? All right. 115. So do you remember this is this arithmetic progression or geometric progression? Which progression is this? Arithmetic progression or geometric progression? What progression is this? Which one? Arithmetic progression. So for arithmetic progression, there were two formulas, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And one more was there, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So we have a, we have l, but we don't have n. So we need to calculate n first. And how we calculate n? How we calculate n? We know last term, we know a, we know d. How we will calculate? L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So L is last term, 115, right, Roshni? This is 45 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 1. All right, Rahul, yes, everyone is answering 15680. So 115 minus 45 is 70. 70 is equal to n minus 1. 11 minus 4, yeah. So n is equal to 71. So Sn, summation of n terms, 71 by 2, a plus l, 45 plus 115. 2680, somebody was also getting, I think, Sagar, you are typing something else. Right, Jui. Jui, you are there on WhatsApp also, not WhatsApp, sorry, YouTube and here on Zoom also. So 45 plus 15 is 160. 71 by 2 into 160, 280. 80 into 70. 80 into 70 is 5600 plus 80. Your answer is 5680. Yo. D is the answer. What part is not clear to you? Jacqueline. Jacqueline. I don't know what's your name. Jacqueline only, yeah. Jacqueline, tell me what part is not clear. Do you want me to unmute you? I used, okay, the sum part. So I'll go to the first slide. Flywell, are you there? Are you there, Flywell? So I'm using this formula. Okay. So Flywell, your question, where to use this formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Now come back to this question. Do I have people, the life of, I repeat, when it comes to arithmetic progression, I understood that, Sagar. When it comes to arithmetic progression, Tn or last term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Summation of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or summation of n terms is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. These are the only three examples in arithmetic progression we need to use. All right, fine. So Jacqueline, for you, you're saying how I got the sum. See, I have A, I have B, I have L. So with the help of L, D, and A, I'll calculate number of terms. I got 71. Now with the help of N, A, and L, natural terms, sum of N terms in progression. All right. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Jacqueline, okay, not okay. Okay, Flywell, is that clear to you now? No, Flywell, it's clear to you. Memory, is that clear? Okay, all right, we'll move to the next one now. So who was that? RK, I think, or Rahul. I don't know. Somebody asked me, 1 minute, I'll come to this. Somebody asked me, what is the difference between sequence and series? Who was that? Was it RK, if I remember correctly? RK, was it you? If you are here, RK, can you reply? Or I don't remember exactly who was it. Akhil, right, Akhil. No. Akhil, are you there? Thank you, Binay. Akhil, are you there? No, he's not there. All right, people, the difference between sequence and series is, let me go to the empty slide somewhere. Here it is. So, all right. So sequences, let's say if the sequence is given to you, 1, 2, 3, this is sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what will be series? Series like addition. 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. All right. So series is like this is S1. This is S2. So S2 is nothing but summation of first and second term. First term and second term. All right. So sequence follows some rules. Series is the addition of those things. All right, Akhil. A sequence here. Yo, Peter. Thank you, Peter. So Peter had, I will do copy paste because I know Peter had also did the copy paste. Right, Peter? So here is the sequence and series for everyone. Fine. So let's move to the question. Next question. This is the one. Fine. Now the eighth term of the GP, they have given GP. So GP, for GP, what are the formulas? Nth term is equal to a to the power Rn minus 1, which is also L last term is equal to a to the power Rn minus 1. Summation of n terms in GP is equal to a to the power 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r, or a to the power a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. Okay, genomic. Mahamudul, understanding? So yeah, tell me the answer for this one. Sum of infinity is equal to a upon 1 minus r. C is the answer. Okay. So the eighth term, it means that I need to calculate eighth term. Eighth term will be equal to a to the power a into r to the power 7. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Term of eighth term. So a is 2, r is 3 here. 6 by 2 is 3. 18 by 6 is 3. So this is 3 to the power 7. Now, 3 to the power 7, how you can do it is, 3 to the power 3 is 27. 27 square is 729, which is 3 to the power 6. 729, not 26. Again, multiplied by 3, you will get 3 to the power 7. All right, multiply by one more 3. You will get 3 to the power 7. So 3, 9, 27, 2, 3 to 6, 2, 8, 3, 7, 21. 21 double of 21 because we are multiplying by 2. So multiplying by 2, 7, and this is 3, 4374 is the answer. Yes. Got it? Shall I move on? Now people like say that you are using calculator in your exam. So don't do time pass that 3 into 3, wow, 9, 9 into 3, into 3, into 3, into 3. Till whatever power go for that. Like 3 to the power 6, I was expecting that 3 to the power 6. People know 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 6 is 729. So 3 to the power 7 will be 729 into 7. We apply for unit digit method. Okay. You can do that also. RK, you can do. So what RK did, he calculated unit digit of 3 to the power 7. Unit digit of 3 to the power 7 is 7. You remember 7 divided by 4, your remainder will be 3. when your remainder is 3, 3 to the power 3 is 27. So 7 into 2. It means that your unit digit should end with 4. So yeah, can do when all the digits are ending with different one. But as one more thing I would like to say here, yeah, memory. So go for it. One more thing I will say, RK, here one concern for unit digit because none of these is there. So what if this number is 2374? There is one more option, 2374, and none of these. Are you getting my point, memory? Sorry, RK. Yeah, in that case, this will become wrong. Why is this problem happening? Because of none of these. Instead of none of this, if they would have given you another option like 6532, then you can use this option, whatever you said. Okay. Fine, people, let's move on then. This answer, many of you answered the question. This question, many of you have answered already. People, I'm not sure whether this is 13122 separately. Leave this question because I'm not sure for this number. Okay, or else give a try. Let's see whether it is. What is not clear? Nakaban, Jacqueline, you haven't attended unit digit. That's why you are not understanding. So that's okay. Ignore that part. Just focus on the remaining thing. You understood, right? We have used a formula and got the answer. Was that part clear, Jacqueline? Yeah, just use that as of now. All right, people, one more thing here. Like this week, coming week, mostly, so like 2 more weeks. This week, we will be finishing few topics like permutation, combination, and statement and conclusion. Somebody was saying to do that. And what else? We are left with geometry, some questions on syllogism which we have to do, and then what equations question you want to solve, simple interest, compound interest questions you want to solve. So by these 2 week, like let's take less of aptitude classes, quant aptitude, and more of verbal class because you people found some problem in verbal class. All right, so this 2 week we will do that way. And from the second week of May, I hope everyone is listening to me right now because I'm going to talk something important. People, I hope you are listening to me. Are you listening to me? Yes? Or after this question, shall I start my story? Okay, let's finish this question because then everybody will be into question. Okay, I'll tell you after this one. So in the event, fine, Michelle, we'll solve the question, then I'll tell you the story. In the event that the fourth and ninth term, so fourth term, GP, will be what? AR to the power 3. And ninth term, GP, will be what? AR to the power 8. Right? So GP is 54, this is 54, and this is, so what you do, AR to the power 8 divided by AR to the power 3. So 13122 divided by 54. So A and A will get cancelled out. You will get R to the power 5. 8 minus 3. I hope you are understanding this, right? R power 8. It means that R to the power 3 into R to the power 5. A into R to the power 3. So this will get cancelled out and you're getting R to the power 5. So now cancel this. Will this get cancelled by 3? 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4, 9. So yeah, it is cancelled by 3. 3, 3 what? 3, 4, 12, 3, 3, 9, 3, 7, and 3, 4. This is 3, 18. Again, is this number divisible by 3? 4, 7, 3, 10 plus 18, yeah. And actually it is divisible by 9 also. 9 to 18, cancel it with 9 again. 9, 4, 36, 7, 9, 8, 72, 5, 6. So 2, 1, 2 what? 2, 4, 3. R to the power 5 is equal to 243, which means R is equal to what? R is equal to 3. So now fourth term, AR cube is equal to 54. So R you need to calculate, right? R we have already calculated. 3 cube is equal to 54. 54 by 27. So you will get it 2. So A is equal to 2 and the second term we need to calculate. So second term will be AR. So 2 into 3. Yes, answer is 6. Anyone has any other method or who got how R is equal to 3? 1 minute, I'll come to that. Rahul, have you solved it in a similar way? Mercy, Rahul. Rahul was the first one to answer this. So that's why I'm asking him. Yes, same method, right? Okay. So yeah, these are like pure calculation questions. So RK, I hope you understood that we divided AR to the power 8 by AR to the power 3. You will get R to the power 5 and on cancellation, you will get 243. Right? So now how I'm getting, I know 3 to the power 5 is 243. That's why I wrote this R to the power 5 is equal to 3 to the power 5. Yeah, but how easily get 3? Because I know 3 to the powers. Otherwise, 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 what you can do, 243 is not divisible by 2, right? So then you need to keep on dividing by 3. How can I get it? Okay. So when you divide this by 3 RK, it is not divisible by 2. So you will divide it by 81, 3 to the power 27, 339, 339 and 3, 1. So 5 3's will give you 1 R because R to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5. Okay, RK? Sorry, no. Yeah, RK. RK, better learn few powers. Yeah, otherwise this is the method. This is lengthy. If I know powers, I can go quickly. Okay. All right. So I was telling you something. So the thing is that for the next 2 week, that is the next week and the next week, that is first week of May. So we will be doing more of verbal and less of quant. In quant, we have to finish 3 more topics: permutation, combination, probability, and geometry. These 2 topics we haven't touched upon. All right. If you want me to do clocks and calendars also, let me know. So in one of the classes, we calculate we can do that. So based on that, I'll just decide what we are doing, how we are going. So how many verbal classes do you need? From second week of May, if everything goes according to the plan for the this last week of April and the first week of May, from the second week of May, we will be starting crash course. Crash course in the sense there are people who have joined very late. So it would be a revision for others and it could be like we will be going in not so much in detail, but in little detail for the people, those who have joined late. All right. So from the second week of May and the timings would be from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Indian Standard. Is that clear? All right. So the timings will be 2 hours after, like whenever your class gets end right now, at that time it will start. So 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday you enjoy. Don't enjoy, keep practicing so that you can get 2 holidays on continuous basis. You can start whatever you like, you can plan your day well. So I hope everyone is okay with that, right? So is there any concern? Though I should not ask, but I'm asking, I'll write it. Until when will the regular classes go on? I mean, on which day? So regular classes is this one only. Mostly we are doing revision also here. Okay, so I'll write it down for every one of you. From second week of May, we will start crash course. Crash course kind of revision for the people, those who have already attended, and it might be for those people who have joined late. It can be like again kind of revision, or they will be understanding it, right? So crash course, we are starting from second week of May. Fine, Vinay, coming to that, hold on. Timings would be 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. All right. So 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And this is like how it is, whatever time you are, whatever time is your, what I'm saying, whatever time your class is ending right now, from second week of May, it will be starting at that time. Fine. And it will be from Monday to Friday. Okay. Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Any confusion so far to anyone? Okay, memory, send it to me on WhatsApp so that I can let you know. Well, we will not be doing classes at 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., right? Second week of May. Yes, only from 4 to 6. Absolutely right. I don't think so. Like other day, Komal ma'am also said the same thing. Because of the COVID cases, we don't know when is the exam. So for that sake, we are just giving crash course also for the people, those who have joined late. And in case if somebody who is like, who know your friend and you know that that person is gonna join, but he's being just lazy, right? So in that case, do one thing, don't sorry, not don't do let that person know that join the classes from second week of May. It would be helpful. If you found this classes helpful so far, then keep continuing attending it. All right. How can we contact on WhatsApp? There is a group, WhatsApp group. So I think now you cannot join, so I will send the link of what, of Telegram. So now those who are not on WhatsApp, it's okay, people, it's fine. If you're not on WhatsApp, it's okay. Your purpose is getting solved in Telegram channel. So don't think in this, oh, I am not on WhatsApp, my life became like this because I'm not on WhatsApp. Trust me, your life is better because you're not on WhatsApp. Okay, fine, people. So yeah, those who are not on WhatsApp, chill, take a chill pill and relax, and just go ahead on what, on Telegram, and you can start your discussion, because what I see on Telegram, you people talk more nonsense than WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, earlier this was the scenario that people used to, hi, how are you, I am doing well, how do you do, all these things. Now the same thing you people have started talking on Telegram also. I mean, like, I really don't understand that when somebody calls you children, you feel so offensive about it. But you people are proving every day that no, we are not less than children. Yeah, we don't want to behave like a mature ones. We are gonna go abroad for our higher studies, but still we will follow the same kind childish manner. Is that the case, people? Is that the case? All right. So yeah, don't do that. Understand the purpose of the group for what it is. Yes, Akhil, it is not in your syllabus, sorry. permutation and combination, it is not there in your syllabus. But again, like when you see in that syllabus, simple interest and compound interest is also not been mentioned, but there were questions from simple interest, compound interest also. So keeping this thought in the mind, we thought of covering every topic. Thank you, Peter. My name is Sonal, not Sonai. It's not AI. No, it is Sonal. But that's all right, Peter. Thank you. Okay, so we will be doing it, Akhil. Fair enough, Akhil? Does that sounds okay to you? Okay, so is this clear? We'll move on. Ira, Eric, you mean to say mock text? You will get every information on Telegram. Trust us. Okay, fine. So this is done, done. Now let's move on. What would be the answer? Now, people, I want you to increase your speed. Okay, because this is like end of the exams. Sorry, not end of the exams, end of the classes. I want you to come up with like little faster. Now, with whatever solving, challenge yourself and say that, okay, now I'm going to solve it 15 seconds faster. And what is the answer? All of these. Ayyo, Roshni. All of the above. Appa. In the event, forget about this. All right. Did I tell you arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean? Do you remember that? Do you remember I told you this? Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. In that event, A is not equal to B. It means that A and B are two different numbers. Right, Shreya. A and B are two different numbers. So A and B are two different numbers. What will be arithmetic mean? A plus B by 2. And what would be the geometric mean? Two numbers are there. It means that root AB. We will discuss that, Nelius. That's the part. So Nelius is asking, is there any way we can discuss the quantitative aptitude questions in the mock test? Please, ma'am. Yes, that's the plan. We will discuss that. Don't worry. Now, what is this? A, B, C, or D? Certainly not D. Certainly not A, because it is equal to Binay. So C is the answer. We need to follow this. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Yo, Anupa, that's correct. Yes, Sivani. All right. Okay, we'll move on. Maybe on Monday we will do, but what I'm thinking that first let's finish all the chapters and then go for mock test and mock test analysis. But if you people really want to do mock test analysis, we will do that. What is wrong with memory with the second? Because it is less than sign memory and arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. It's okay. Okay, how many of you want to finish syllabus first and then go for mock test and analysis? Or you want to do mock test analysis first? Two option. Type 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm giving you, I'm making your life simple. Syllabus complete first. One minute. Second, B option. Option B. Option B, what is that? Mock test analysis. Mock test analysis. So I will count for another 10 seconds. Choose option A or B. Don't write complete thing. Save, 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 save. So far, everybody's saying A. I'll count for another 10 seconds. One for B. A. I'll count for another 3 seconds. A. All right. A. So only there is one person. So I'm sorry to that person. Who is that person? Gracious. Gracious, please don't mind, but I would like to go with majority. All right, Gracious, because except you, everybody said A. I heard what you said. Sorry, I thought the signs are on the same. No problem. I hope you understood now. All right. So it's fine. All right. So we'll do that. Yo. Okay. Fair. All right. Fine. This is a good question. Go for it. Come on, people. You can do it. Everybody can do it. Tell yourself, I will get the answer of this question. And then you try. Suraj Gupta, actually, when will be your exam? Only, I will say, even SII people study in India, people are not sure when they can conduct the exam. Okay, so certainly not in May. Certainly not till second week of June. Awesome, Rahul. How many hours in a day? How many hours in analog watch? Okay, I'm not saying the answer. How many hours in analog watch? 12 hours. So first at 1 o'clock it will take one time, 2 o'clock it will take two times, 3 o'clock it will three times, so on. 12 o'clock it will take 12 times. Yeah, Neha. Fine, Neha. I'll tell you why that is not the answer. So now this is what? Arithmetic series or geometric progression? Not series. Arithmetic progression or geometric progression? What it is? 1, 2, 3. What it is? Arithmetic progression or geometric progression? 1 minute RK. Arithmetic, right? So what you need to calculate? 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to 12. What you will use? What is n equal to here? N is equal to 12, right? You know everything. N is equal to 12, A is equal to 1, N is equal to 12, and L is equal to 12. Michelle, your answer is odd one out amongst everything. I think you are making calculation error, Michelle. Anybody has any doubt so far in this part? Anybody has any doubt? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? No, no, no. Only two people replied. I want few more people to reply. No doubt. All right. Now see people. A is equal to 1, N is equal to 12, L is equal to 12. So I'll use this formula. And what is D equals to? D is also equal to 1, right? Because common difference is 1. So I'll use this formula. L is equal to, no, we have to use N by 2. 1 minute. N by 2, A plus L. So N by 2 is 12 by 2. A is 1, 12 is 12. So this is 12 into 1, 13 into 6 is 78. So you have option 78. But, this is for the first 12 hours of a day. This is for first 12 hours of a day. But they are talking about a day. A day has 24 hours. It means that this is for AM. Now comes for PM. So you need to multiply by 2. Hence your answer is 156. All right. Okay. Got it? So the answer is 156. Flywell, Jennifer, is that clear? Repeat once again. So basically the question was about what? At 1 o'clock. Okay. I'll explain to you. 1 minute. What means hum? Hmm. Tan, tan. That clocks make sound, right, Surjo? That so at 1 o'clock it will ring only one time. Tan. All right. Another at 2 o'clock it is tan tan. Three times at 3 o'clock means tan tan tan. All right, Surjo. Yeah. So fine. So it's clear. It's for everybody. Why I multiplied by two? I'll tell you. First hour at 1 a.m. it will take one time. 2 a.m. it will take two times. 3 a.m. it will take three times. Till 12 p.m. it will take 12 times. What I'm saying, I'm sorry. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and at 12 o'clock it will take 12 times. Is that okay? Yes or no? Right, 1 minute. There is some, even I got some thoughts now. So A is equal to 1, D is equal to 1. 1 minute, I'm coming to that. Michelle, D is equal to 1 and last term is equal to 12 and N is also equal to 12. Now, Michelle, question is, but why not take 24 hour instead of 12? What we use 24 as the last time, will the answer be same? See, people, it is at like at 13 o'clock, which is like global time. 1 p.m. is read as 13. But a clock, whatever the clock I have seen, it has only 12 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then AM, PM. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. All right. Okay. Are you getting my point so far? Yes or no? Please reply quickly. So those who are saying that if we take 13, it's not gonna do hums for 13 times at 1 p.m. Right, Nelius? That's why I will not take 24. All right. So this is for first 12 hours. You calculate, you will get 78 times. How we got this? N by 2, A plus L. 24 will give us 150. It's wrong. 1 minute, 1 minute. Is this clear so far? 78. Is that clear so far? You cannot go for 13, 14, 15, 16. You cannot go for that because at 13 o'clock, which is at 1 p.m., it will not take 13 times, it will take only one time. At 14 o'clock, it will took only two times, right? So that's why 78. Now for another set of 12 hours, this is for AM, and for another set of PM, again it will be for 12 times. So that's why it is 78 plus 78 or 78 into 2. I hope, Jui, it's clear now. I hope it's clear to everyone. Yes or no? Okay. Memory, I hope it's clear. Okay, we'll move on. I hope it's clear. Let's move to the next one. Fine. People try this one. I will be coming in back in 2 minutes and I'll extend the session by 2 minutes. Fine. So just try this one. And this is, please don't mind and please excuse me. And I'm sorry for this. I'll be back. Hey people, thank you so much and sorry. So I'll tell you the reason. Like clouds are making sound here and I washed so many clothes today. I have put it on terrace, so I did not want it to get wet again because it was getting wet from past 2 3 days. So yeah, I'm extremely sorry. So let's do this question now. 10 is the answer or 12 is the answer? I think answer is 18. Let's see. Yeah, it's raining in India, especially in Bangalore. So the number of inhabitants in microbe society copies every 2 minutes. Copies means what? Gets double. All right. So have you seen bacteria growing? In a simple way, you can understand this question as like bacteria grows double every 2 minutes. So if it is like one will become two will become four will become eight will become 16, 16 will become 32, and so on. Right. So how long will it take for populace to develop from 1000 to 512 like this? Okay. So if it is 1000 will become what? 2000. 2000 will become what? 4000. 4000 will become 8000. So I don't have to go, but I know that the last one is what? 512,000. Is that clear so far to everyone? Where did you get 12? Which 12? Frida, which 12 you are saying? Is that clear so far? Like microbes are getting double copies every 2 minutes. So it's getting double in every 2 minutes. All right. Now, what series is this? Arithmetic progression or geometric progression? Arithmetic progression or geometric progression? Geometric progression. So what is A? So if it is geometric progression, what will I need? What is A? What is A? In this series, what is your A? Come on, come on, come on. 1000. All right. What is R? That is common ratio. What is common ratio? 2. All right. Common ratio will be what? 2000 by 1002, 4000 by 2002, 8000 by 4002. Common ratio is 2. What is last term or nth term? Nth term or last term? 512. Do we know n? That's a question mark. All right. So let's see. Let's solve this part. So last term formula is, what is the formula? Last term or nth term of AP of GP is equal to a to the power r n minus 1. Right. So last term is given 512,000. First term is 1000. R is equal to 2 power n minus 1. So this will get cancelled. All right. 512 is 2 to the power 9. So 2 to the power n minus 1. Is this clear? 2 to the power 9. These are some common terms, people. I'll say that. Learn this one. 2 to the power 1, 2. 2 square 8. 2 cube, 2 square 8, 4. 2 cube 8. 2 to the power 4, 16. 2 to the power 5, 32. 2 to the power 6, 64. 2 to the power 7, 128. 2 to the power 8, 256. 2 to the power 7, 9, 512. 2 to the power 10, 1024. Remember this few common things. Similarly, 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 to the power 3 is 27, 3 to the power 4 is 81, 3 to the power 5 is 243, 3 to the power 6 is 729. So these are some common ones. All right. Now you will get n is equal to 10. All right. Now comes important and interesting part, people. N is equal to 10. So is that the question? They are asking you time. How long will it take? How long will it take? So what is happening? 1000 will become 2000 in how many minutes? 2 minutes. 2000 will become 4000 in how many minutes? Another 2 minutes. So it is like you have 10 terms. 1, 2, 1k. Let me add 1000 as k. 1k, 2k, 4k, 8k, 16k. I did not wanted to write you this. Okay, let me tell you in a simple way. If there are 10 terms, 1, 2, 3, if there are 10 terms, how many intervals are there? How many intervals are there? Intervals. Like if there are 4 fingers, look at your 4 fingers. Between first and fourth finger, how many intervals are there? Between first and fourth finger, how many intervals are there? 3? Yes or no? Did you get my point? 4. No, no, Roshni. Okay, I drew one thing, my hand. Somebody said nice drawing. All right. So this is one interval. This is one more interval. This is one more interval. So between 4 fingers, there are 3 intervals. Between this and this thumb and the little finger, which is no longer looking like a little, but it's okay. So there you have 4 intervals. So if there are 10 terms, how many intervals will be there? If there are 10 terms, how many intervals will be there? 9 intervals. Is that part clear to everyone? Is that 9 interval clear to everyone? This was one of the common question earlier. 9 interval. Now each interval is like how many minutes? Copies every 2 minutes. It means like 1000 become 2000 in every 2 minutes. 2000 will become 4000 in every 2 minutes. So 4000 will become 8000 in every 2 minutes. So your answer should be what? 2 into 9 intervals. So your answer is 18. 18 is the answer. 9 into 2. Joy, I hope it is clear now. Okay. No, Roshni, what is not clear? People, I'll repeat quickly. I have written. So last part. Okay, let me write. So 1000 will become 2000 in 2 minutes. 2000 will become 4000. 4000 will become 8000. 8000 will become 16,000. 16,000 will become 32. 32 will become 64. 64 will become 128. 128 will become 256. And 256 will become 512,000. 1,000. All right. Now, what I'm trying to tell you, Roshni, here, like there are 10 terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If 10 terms are there, I know how many intervals will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 intervals. And each interval is of 2 minutes. Right? So 9 into 2, 18 minutes will be your answer. Got it, my point? Understood. Had it been given, okay, 1 minute. Instead of n is equal to 10, if let's say, I'm saying let's say, please focus on my let's say. Otherwise, you will keep answering how you got this, how you got this, how you got this. So I'm repeating. Let's say if n is equal to 21, if n would have been equal to 21, then what would have been your answer? How many minutes would have been your answer? If n is equal to 21, same question, ignore this part, this is some other part. Then what would have been your answer in terms of minutes? Each interval is of 2 minutes. So then in that case, you will get 20 into 2. 40 minutes would be your answer. All of you understood? If let's say n is equal to 43, then what would have been your answer? If you would have got n is equal to 43, then what would have been your answer? 42 into 2, 84. I hope it's clear now. All right. So everybody had answered right. So it means it's clear. Okay, we'll do these questions little later. I want you to go through. Okay, we will do this. I want you people to solve this question now. And then we will come back to those questions. How did you get 18, Salman? I just multiplied 9 into 2 because every time they are getting double in 2 minutes. They were getting doubled in 2 minutes, Salman. That's why there will be like 9 intervals. 1000 will become 2000, 2000 will become 4000, 4000 will be 8000, 8000 will be 16,000, 16,000 will be 32,000, 32,000 will be 64, 64 will be 128,000, 128,000 to 56, to 56,000 will be 512,000. Have you counted, Salman? Yes, good. How many times was it? Don't tell me 10 times, okay? It was 9 times. All right, fine, people. Let's go for this question. This is wonderful question. Yeah, I'm cooling down. I'm cooling down. C is the answer. No, gracious. Okay, this will be okay. Let's do one thing. Let's solve one question, and the next question you try. Is that okay? Is that okay? All right. Now a ball is thrown from a height of 5,000 meter. A ball is thrown from a height of 5,000 meter. Right? Oh, sorry. What is this question? Here. A ball is thrown. My pen got thrown. A ball is thrown from 5,000 meter on a ground. This is top floor. This is ground floor. On a ground, the ball is bounced 4 by 5 times of 5,000 is what? 4,000. All right. Okay, let's do one thing. 5,000 for the first time. Second time, it is 4 by 5 of 5,000. What it will be? 4,000. Agree? Third time, it will be what? 4 by 5 of 4 by 5 of what? 4 by 5 of what? What should I write here? All right, no problem. 4 by 5, 4 by 5 times of its every last bounce. So the last bounce was 4,000. So 580, this will give you 3,200. All right. Now fourth one, 4 by 5 of what? What should I write here? 3,200. All right, 3,200, 5, 5, 6, 40. 64 into 4 is 216. 4, 4, 16, 256. 2560. Now, everyone stay focused. What is happening? It will go 5,000. Then it is bouncing 4,000. And then again, it will bounce 4,000 down. Right? So my series is going like 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 4,000. All of you understood this? Did you understand so far? Because if it is bouncing up to 4,000, it will cover 4,000. Now it will bounce what? Now it will bounce to 3,300. So if it is bouncing 3,200, it will come down 3,200. So 3,200 plus 3,200. Is that clear so far? Plus 2560, 2560, and so on. Now add these two, you will get what? 9,000. Add these two, you will get what? 7,200. add these two. Yo Rahul, you will get what? 527, 325. So you will get 5760. All right, and so on. So it is up to infinity. Wall will go up, will come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, like this. Okay. Now it is like arithmetic. Sorry, this is geometric progression. So your A is equal to what? 9,000. What is your R? 7,200 divided by 9,000. 8 by 9. 8 by 10. All right. Check. Are you getting the same here? 7, 8, 7, 10. That is 4 by 5. Every time you will get 4 by 5 because here you got 4 by 5, right? So here also you will get the same. Check for this also. 5760 divided by 7200. Are you getting 4 by 5? Check. Are you getting 4 by 5 here? Check yes or no. This 0 will get cancelled. Let me solve it here. 5760 divided by 7200. This will get cancelled. 5 by 4. No, Rahul, you will get 4 by 5. So let's cancel it with 4. You can cancel it with 8 also. 8, 8, 7, 56 and 1, 72, 8, 9, 90. So again, you got same 72 by 90. Here also you got 72 by 90, which is 4 by 5. 18, 4, 72, 18, 5, 90. All right. So your, yes, you also get 0.8. So 0.8 is calculator answer. 4 by 5 is manual answer. So you have A, you have R. Now this is up to infinity. So sum of infinity is equal to what? A upon 1 minus R. A is what? 9,000. 1 minus R is what? 4 by 5. So you will get 9,000 into 5 by 5 minus 4, that is 1. So 45,000 is the answer. All right, 45,000 is the answer. Yes, 4 by 5, right, Anupa? Every time you are getting from here also actually. 4 by 5 of the previous, 4 by 5. So one and the same. Is that clear? Yes, clear to everyone? What we are doing, the ball is coming to certain height. So we need to add because it's going up also. So they are saying calculate the total distance covered by the ball till it stopped. So total distance means what? 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 4,000 plus 3,200 plus 3,200 plus 2,560 plus 2,560. After that, I have to calculate. So I'm calculating in this way. All right. All right. So if it is clear, solve. Is that clear to everyone? Can everyone reply to me? Whoever is player, who consider himself or herself is a player, will reply to me. Let me see how many players are there in the room. Only few. Ayo, I was thinking many are there. Okay, so you don't consider yourself as player. All right. Those who replied, awesome. Those who didn't reply, please reply. Please be a player. All right, let's do this question, not this one. Okay. I don't know where is that question. There was one similar question, maybe. All right. I'll get you in another class because there was one similar question, but I'm not getting it now. Maybe I forgot to see it. Why we added Surjo? 5,000 ball came down, then 4,000 goes up, then again 4,000 comes down, then 3,200 goes up, then again 3,200 goes down. So why we are adding only two? Because when the one cycle is getting over, when it comes from the top to top, like this to this part will be considered as one cycle. I understood your question, Surja. I'm coming to that. see, when I'm getting ball in hand, that will be considered as like one type. If I bounced something and if ball is coming to my hand, that will be considered as one round. Are you getting my point, Surjo? So you threw the ball, but ball is not coming in your hand, it's losing some stuff. So here it will be one round. Then again, this will be another round. All right? Fine, people. Okay, let's try this one. A is the answer. Okay. This is no longer like a square, but it's okay. The side of a square is 16. So if this is 16, 16 centimeter, number of squares are made by joining the midpoints of each side of the square. Okay. So whenever, okay, there is a rule or there is a saying. See what is happening. How can I explain this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. I want you to imagine something here. All right. I want you to imagine people so that the life will become simpler. And I would be able to explain you the next question also simply. If I fold this part on the side, it will get overlap. Did you understand? Overlap. Fold it inside. There is a square paper. You draw the midpoints. You got one square. Now you fold it inside. Are you getting my point? Yeah. This will also overlap. This side will also overlap. I want you to imagine, increase your imagination, no problem, but you will understand it better. Yes or no? People, I can just let you know the formula and how it works, but that's not the intention. Intention is you should understand why it is working. Even this will overlap and this will overlap. So basically, you will get it's double square. So like one square on top of another square. So if I have to calculate area of this inside square, if I have to calculate area of this inside square, it's nothing but half of the bigger square. So what is the area of bigger square? 16 into 16 is 256. So the area of the next square, the area of the this will be what? 8 into 8, that is 128. Now the area of this, not 8 into 8, sorry, not 8 into 8, half of this, half of 256. Now, if these midpoints were joined, same thing, you will get half of what? Half of 128, that is 64. Are you getting my point, people? So your series is 256, 128, 64, and so on. All right. Again, what is your A? What is your A? A is 256. A is 256. What is your R? 128 by 256. It is 1 by 2. Now sum of infinity will be equal to what? 256 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Answer is 512. Yes. Got it? Where is the confusion? Can you tell me? 1 minute. I'm trying to get some shortcut here. Okay, fine. In this case, I'll get the shortcut, I guess. Where is the confusion, Jackson? After this, we'll solve one more question and then you go. Okay. Clear, Jackson? You can type in if something is not clear. All right. So look at this one. The side of a right angled triangled are 6, 8, and 10. 1 minute. I'll explain. Right, Rahul. I was also about to come that I want to see whether it's working in this part also, not in this in this question. So a new right angle triangle by joining the midpoints of all each sides of a triangle. This is midpoint only because 8, right? 8 will be little lengthier. 6, 8, 10. This is 8, this is 10. So joining midpoints will be like this. So we need to calculate. Again, they have joined the midpoints of this, so like this. So first of all, what is the area of the bigger triangle? What is the area of bigger triangle? 1 by 2 into 6 into 8. Area of triangle. Yes or no? People, yes or no? Bigger area triangle will be 1 by 2, 6 into 8. Right? So you will get 24. All right? You will get 24. Now we need to calculate area of this part. Now area of this part, look at this bigger triangle is getting divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area of this will be 24 by 4, that is 6. So area of triangle from midpoints will be equal to 24 by 4. Why we are doing by 4? Because when you do this, you are getting 4 parts of triangle. All right. And you need to calculate one part of it. So that's why 24 by 4. So that's why it is 6. Now the next one will be 6 by 4. And the next one will so on. So summation of infinity again is a upon 1 minus r. A is 24, 1 minus r. R is what? R is 1 by 4, I guess. 6 by 24. 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, you will get what? 24 into 4 by 3. 3138. So 8 into 4. Answer is 32. All right. A is the answer. Jackson, is that clear little bit, this one? Or even this is not clear? All right, Rahul, what you were saying, right? Double. So that double thing happens only in that double things happening is only in that particular question. It's nowhere it happens. I was thinking that what if we'll multiply 4 also here, but no. Okay, how did I get that? This is my first term. Where is my pen? I don't know where is my pen. 1 minute, people. Something happened. Is power there? All right, I think now I can see. Yeah. So Jacqueline, it is like first one part is clear, right? Area of bigger triangle will be 1 by 2 into 6 into 8. That is 2, 3 into 8, 24. Now, when you calculate, when you draw a midlines, when you draw midpoints, and when you are getting this triangle, so this overall your bigger triangle is getting divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So area of this part will be 24 by 4, that is 6. All right, and R is equal to what? Common ratio is equal to what? Second term divided by first term. Second term divided by first term, you will get 1 by 4. Okay. How I'm getting this here? 6, 6 by 4. I'll get this term now. 6 by 4 by 6. Yeah. So you will get the same. Correct. Okay. This was all the thing where I was trying to find out where is the. Is that clear, people? Yes. So this is all about GP and AP. Don't worry much. If you just know few formulas, then definitely you can solve any question. So let's see quick recap, and then you go. So if it is AP, Tn or last term is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D, where D is common term. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. If it is GP, then last term or nth term is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1. Sn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, or vice versa, and s of infinity is equal to a upon 1 minus r. That's it. Okay. So we'll see you on Monday. Like you people said that you want to finish content first and then want to see the analysis. So we will do the same. Let me have a word with Ashish regarding this, and then I'll get back to you. Fine, people? All right. Any other request you people have? Okay. One more thing. I haven't shared Venn diagram, PPT or PDF. That I'll share later only. I will share once syllogism get over. That time I'll share. Okay. You too take care, people. Enjoy. Study well tomorrow. Bye bye, Roshni. See you, people. See you on Monday. Maybe, may not be. So we'll see. Take care. Goodbye, Nelius. All right. You too. All of you stay safe. All right. So I am stopping the sharing and I'm ending the meeting.